All right, guys, here we are. We're set up for a while now. This is the stand my little bro built. It comes up. The grinder mounts to it. And then he also put this for the horizontal leg. And I need some bigger bolts, so I C-clamped it for a little more rigidity. I bought this off of eBay. It's a 56C frame, 2 horsepower, 3480, so 3500 RPM. It's kind of a piece of crap. Something's vibrating in it. I haven't had any issues with it, but something vibrates really bad. Here's the reader. Very awesome machine. Right now I have the flat platen on it. Over here I have a wheel that I bought off eBay, and it sucks. So really try and find reviews on these wheels on eBay. This one is so out of balance I can barely use it. These are the aluminum belt wheels from eBay. I can't remember the seller's name. If I find it, I'll put it in the description. But he's out of Provo, Utah. They're really high quality. You can see here, this is how we would adjust. I don't know if you can see that or not. You can see the wheel moving in and out, and that guides the belt. So if the belt were here, you could drive it over. That way you can get a rounder edge on the inside of your hollow grind, stuff like that. I had a 2-horse freak drive off of eBay. It was out of California from some Chinese sounding seller. Don't buy those. It lasted about 10 minutes and blew flames out, excuse me, blew sparks out the top and never worked again. That was $100 gone. I did have this 30 horsepower in a cabinet that I was selling. It was just a scrap electrical project. So I have 28 horsepower of headroom because I have a 2 horsepower motor. Anyway, so far so good. I've ground out some knives. So this is how it would work. You would engage this. Pull your platen out until it's tight. Tighten down this, which is tightening this bar into place. Then release this, and that puts the proper tension on your belt. I'll turn it on. It's going to get loud for a minute here. I'll just do it at 30 hertz. So you can see here how that is way hanging over. I'm going to adjust up here and watch the belt. So just watch here. And I'll lock it into place. It's pretty much centered. Okay, to go into horizontal position, I did need to move my Allens. Loosen this. I loosen this as well. You pop it up a little because it's got this little hook to hold it. Swing that out of the way. Wow, that's loud. And just lower it down. And you can see this handle rests right there. Now we would pop. So then you would, I should have done this beforehand. I'll pop that out, which is this guy here. Tighten it up. You would undo these and move this whole thing over so it would sit here to here. And that's real handy for doing profiling your knives and stuff like that. Anyway, there it is. The Reader Products 2-inch by 72-inch belt grinder. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell your buddies. Thank you.